Said a low-level explosion. It's not anything to worry about, and it occurred at Aminu Kano Crescent in WUSE 2 area of Abuja, and we had this, and we had to move in promptly. I think the proactive measures adopted by the police actually saved a lot of things. No life was lost, no injury to anybody, no damage to any vehicle. There was no fire incident. All that we had was just splinter of glasses around the park and shop plaza there, very adjacent to, very close to Banex Plaza in WUSE.
What could have been the cause of the explosion from what you gathered?
From what I gathered, it was a kind of device that was planted under a tree in front of the park and shop area in WUSE 2.
Believe that there is not likelihood of having any other explosion or any other bomb planted anywhere around the vicinity?
Yes, I want to agree with that, and we are working around the clock. And as I talk to you, our Explosive Ordnance Department, the EOD, the anti-bomb squad, are working around the clock there to carry out their investigation.